Top 5 Best Laptops for Video Editing and Content Creators, 2026. If you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, photographer, or content creator, choosing the right laptop can dramatically improve your workflow. Fast rendering, smooth 4K per 8K timeline playback, accurate color reproduction, and long-term reliability matter far more than flashy specs. After comparing performance, display quality, thermals, creator-focused features, and real user feedback, these are the 5 best Windows laptops for creators in 2026. Number 1. Asus ProArt P16. Asus designed the ProArt series specifically for creative professionals. Unlike gaming laptops, the ProArt focuses on sustained performance, color accuracy, quieter cooling, and creator workflows. Editing 4K or even 8K footage in Adobe Premiere Pro feels exceptionally smooth. DaVinci Resolve also benefits from the RTX GPU, making color grading and GPU effects noticeably faster. The OLED display is one of the best available on any Windows laptop. Factory calibration, wide color gamut, and excellent HDR performance make it suitable for professional editing. Experts also praise its Creator Hub software and creator-friendly ports. Why should you buy it? If video editing is your profession, not just a hobby, this is arguably the best Windows creator laptop available today. Number 2. Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i. The Yoga Pro 9i is one of Lenovo's strongest creator-focused laptops. Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects all run smoothly. Compared with many gaming laptops, it produces less fan noise during creative workloads. The mini LED display delivers excellent brightness and HDR, making it ideal for color-sensitive work. Why should you buy it? If you edit videos every day, but also want a sleek laptop for work, travel, and meetings, the Yoga Pro 9i offers one of the best balances of portability and creative performance. Number 3. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. The Zephyrus G14 is technically a gaming laptop, but it has become a favorite among creators because of its powerful hardware in a compact chassis. Adobe Premiere Pro performs well, and DaVinci Resolve benefits from the NVIDIA GPU. The OLED display offers excellent color reproduction, though some Intel/NVIDIA combinations may edge it out in specific Adobe workloads. Why should you buy it? Perfect for creators who travel often and want one machine for editing, gaming, and everyday use. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Ultra. Samsung has significantly improved the Galaxy Book 6 Ultra. Its combination of Intel's latest processor, a dedicated NVIDIA GPU, and a vibrant AMOLED display makes it a capable editing machine. Reviewers highlight strong performance and an attractive, lightweight design, though it lacks features like an SD card reader and Thunderbolt 5. Why should you buy it? Ideal if you value portability, aesthetics, and display quality as much as editing performance. Number 5. Dell XPS 13. The XPS 13 is excellent for photo editing, writing, office work, and light video editing. However, without a dedicated NVIDIA GPU, it isn't intended for demanding 4K or 8K editing projects. If your workload is heavier, Dell's larger XPS 14 or XPS 16 are stronger options. Why should you buy it? Choose it if your work focuses on social media content, photo editing, blogging, or occasional video editing rather than large professional productions.